the speed time graph. Okay, now we go to speed time graph, the another graph. Okay, I'm using the same pattern, which is a trapezium. So now what for y-axis, which is speed, you have kilometer per hour, right? Means it is a rate versus time hour. Okay, so now as we can see here, 0 to 90 is not the distance. It is actually speed is increasing from 0 to 90 kilometer per hour. So what are we having here? It's not stationary, it is a constant speed. Means katalah dia ialah kereta. So car is still moving but with a constant speed. Okay, dia tak duduk diam, dia tak stop. Dia bergerak dan pada kelajuan yang seragam, yang sama, uniform speed or constant speed. And then here indicate the speed is decreasing. Okay, speed is gradually decreasing throughout the time. So now time taken here is first 0.5 hours, and then 3 minus 0.5, you have duration of 2.5 hour with a constant speed, and another one is for the last 2 hours. So these are the overview for speed time graph. Okay, so next we look on the calculation, the method. So if you have the gradient for distance time graph, you will get the speed. But how about if you are being given speed time graph, what do you have for gradient? So gradient, you will get the rate of change of speed. Okay, note that bila soalan tanya rate of change of speed, mestilah kena cari gradient, dan dia mestilah you kena cari acceleration. Okay, so means acceleration. So kalau nampak dekat sini, means ini adalah acceleration. So first kita tengok, okay, we should look into 2 points. So 0, 0, the first point, the first coordinate, and second coordinate is 0.590. Macam biasa, jangan skip this process. It's very important because students tend to change the value because they think they want to speed things up, but sometimes they are doing silly mistakes. So my advice is you must do the x1 y1 and then label it. Okay, x2 y2. Okay, don't forget your formula of gradient. It's very helpful and very important. So the gradient y2 is 90 minus 0 over 0.5 minus 0. So actually you will have acceleration. The speed is increasing. Speed up. Dia bergerak daripada 0 sampai 90 and then the speed up with 180 km per hour. Okay, do the calculation over here. So with the duration of 3 minus 0.5 is 2.5 hours, the car is in constant speed or uniform speed. So no acceleration at that point. Okay, so constant speed kat mana nak tengok? So 90 km per hour for 2.5 hour. So from here until here. So next, the coordinate is from 390 to 50. X depan, Y belakang. X5, Y0 dekat sini, sifar. Okay, and then label another one, x1 y1 and then x2 y2. Actually you will get this okay, I'm so sorry, this is actually gradient. Ni salah ni, gradient. So gradient or 0 minus 90 over 5 minus 3. So you will get the deceleration equals to negative 45 km per hour square. So, which means that the car is gradually decreasing the speed and then stop for 2 hours. So, okay. Next, with the same speed time graph, you can actually have another plus properties from here, which is the total distance. So how to find the total distance of this journey? Okay, so for this presentation, I wrap up from the first zero when the car is starting up until 5 hours. So means actually the area under the graph is equal to distance. Okay, note about the what kind of question you will have. Maybe we can discuss it after this. So for this presentation, this is the area. This is area under the graph. Under which graph? Under this graph, this straight line. Okay, you just trace it. So you will have this actually triangle over here plus rectangle over here and another triangle over here. So you must apply the shapes of the area. Either you divide into section, means pecahkan ikut section ni, segitiga A, segi 4B, segitiga C, ataupun kamu boleh memilih satu bentuk trapezium. So for me, I prefer trapezium if the question asks what is the total distance of this journey. Okay, so now let's look about area of trapezium. What is the formula? So formula ni kita sudah tahu, equals to 1/2, half. Kenapa? Sebab melibatkan segitiga. Kalau melibatkan segitiga, mesti ada setengah. Okay, half times sum of parallel lines times height. Okay, some of you ada yang confused lagi macam mana nak tentukan which one is sum of parallel lines. So first you look at the height yang menyambungkannya. Okay, so this is the height yang sambungkannya. Okay, this one is 90 degrees. So actually this is the height. So after the height, you can have the parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines. So the first one, A, let's say. So the line is equals to 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Actually the length is 5, and then another one is 3 and 0.5 over here. Alright, so you can have 3 minus 0.5 equals, so kita slash kan, H bahagi H dapat 1, H divide by H equals to 1. So you will have 337.5 kilometer sajalah. So mean because this is the total distance of this car travelling. So dia kat mana ni? So means 337 is around from Seremban to Taiping, let's say. So 337. So the first one from the start pergi, so means berhenti di mana-mana and then teruskan perjalanan. Alright, so speed time graph conclusion, we can get rate of change of speed. So rate of change of speed, straight away gradient formula of the gradient. You will get acceleration for plus or deceleration for negative. And then the distance, you follow the time frame. Which one? From 0 to 5 hours or just in allocation of time. So total distance equals to the whole journey. So formula of area under a graph. So saya dah buktikan tadi kenapa kita kena guna area. Sebab kita nak slash out the rate of time, the time rate tu. Yang H ke S ke, just be careful of your units. Now time taken equals to duration of time. So hopefully I hope you enjoy my video. All right. So stay safe and stay healthy.